Welcome to the MMS Introduction to Energy training video for B-Mobile. Topics we'll be covering today are logging in and completing a phone sale. Let's log into Energy by clicking on the Login button and typing in your staff code and password. Once logged in, you will see three buttons: B-Mobile, Options, and Log Off. To start a transaction, click on the B-Mobile button. There are two options available: Start Transaction and Recall Transaction. Click on the Start Transaction button, and this will launch a new point-of-sale window connecting to your TSTT dataset. Here you'll be able to look up customers and start a sale or refund a sale. To start a sale, click on the Start Transaction button. This will take you to a customer search screen. You can search for a customer by phone number, first, last name, and by customer number. Or there is an option to add a new customer. Once you have entered the client's search information, click the Find button. Highlight the customer you want and click OK to proceed to the sales screen. Above, you will see three buttons: Price Check, Quantity Information, and Other. Click on the Price Check button. Scan or type in a UPC to do a price check on an individual item. Click OK. Click on the Quantity Information button. Type in your description code, description name, item number, UPC, or catalog number. Click the OK button. You see what quantity is on hand for the item given. Last is Other. Here you have the option to look up old receipts and a handy calculator. Now to add the item to the sale, make sure your cursor is in the Command Search field. Type the inventory item number or scan the product list for your handset that you want to add to the sale. On this next screen, you will either type in or scan the serial number of the handset. Press the Enter key. You will then be presented with a list of plans to choose from. Expand the options by clicking the plus sign. Once you have selected the appropriate plans, you must then enter the cell phone number being activated. If this field is not filled, you will receive an error message. When finished, click the OK button. Next, you are prompted to enter the serial number of the SIM card being activated. Scan or manually enter the SIM card serial number and then press the Enter key to continue. Next, you will enter your PUC code by either typing or scanning the code. Press the Enter key. This will bring you back to the sales screen where you can confirm all information including the final price. Once confirmed, press the Finish button. Once you have selected the Finish button, you will then be brought back to your own point-of-sale dataset where you can confirm the handset and plan selection. Do this by clicking the View Selected button. Once you have confirmed the proper plans that are selected, click the OK button. Now review the pricing on the handset and ensure that the SIM card has been added to the sale. At this point, you are now able to add accessories onto the sale if needed. To add an accessory onto the sale, just type the accessory type into the Enter Command Search line. For example, we're selling a case. Once finished adding items to the sale, click the Tender button to proceed to the tender screen. A multi-tender payment is processed by clicking on the first payment type, highlight the amount and enter the amount being paid by that tender. Click on the gold disc or hit Enter to select the next tender type. Notice the tender amount is now displayed with a balance due. Select your second tender by double-clicking or single-clicking and press Enter. Click on the gold disc or press Enter. The sale has now been fully tendered. Click Finish.